welcome to another video. Today it is a very quick one and it is my Black Friday pattern sale haul. Something delightful, we're doing a Black Friday sale. It was $6 for Vogue patterns, $4 for Butterick and McCalls, plus an extra 20% off at checkout. And if you spend over what I thought was $75, but turns out on the day it was $50, you would get free international shipping as well. So I ordered 22 patterns. They arrived in 2 boxes, or like a box and an envelope, because apparently you can only have 20 things in a box before UK customs will charge you. So they sent 2 parcels, which I thought was very decent of them. They have arrived. They have arrived. Now, I did spend last night looking through all of the instructions and reading the instructions on these patterns because I am a weirdo and I enjoy doing that. There were a few that I thought, oh, that's a nice way of putting that together, and there were a few that I just thought, really? I shan't do that. But yeah, I'm very, very excited. So without further ado, let's have a look at the patterns that I got. First is the Vogue 1841. I bought this for the top of the dress. I love the one on the model on there. So I'm never going to make the version as is. I will always put on a different skirt because I just don't enjoy wearing pencil skirts, as I have discussed before. But the bodice of this is really, really pretty. I liked it a lot. And obviously the sleeves. This is for 2-way stretch knits, rayon, spandex, stretch velvet and sequin mesh. And they have got the finished garment measurements on here for the different cup sizes. So this is one that's got all the different cup sizes in there. They have the finished bust measurements on there. So I suppose that's something. I'd like all of them though. And again, there is room. There is room for them to put all of the measurements on. Like, they could have done that. So here's a Badgley Mishka, and I have quite a few of the patterns from that designer. So yeah, I like this. It's the bodice of this that I really like. Then I went for the Vogue 8772. I thought I had this in my stash, but I don't. I have the similar one, but I went for this one because it's a longer line shirt with more darts in it, and I really like how it looks, and I thought I would give it a try. I'm getting into making tops and shirts. Then we've got Vogue 8814, which is quite an old pattern now. Definitely doesn't have the finished garment measurements on the back, but I mentioned that this one would make a good Zimmermann dupe, and having looked at it, like, you know, properly closely, I was like, oh, you know what, actually that would make a really nice Zimmermann dupe. I would make the kind of racerback style. I mean, it's not really a racerback style, is it? But I would make version B, no, version A. Version B and C have the crossover straps at the back, which are lovely, but would not work for me because I would not be able to wear a bra. Next we've got Vogue 1845 Julio Caesar. This one has the finished garment measurements, back length from base of neck for the shirts. I don't care how long they are. I want to know how wide they are around. And there is more than enough room. But yes, lots of you messaged me about this one when it came out and was just like, ooh, pirate capsule collection, think you need this one, and you are correct. I am not looking forward to making this because, oh my goodness, that's a lot of tucks. A lot of tucks. But, and it's a chunky pattern. This is a thick boy. Gorgeous. I've been through these already when they arrived because Mum wanted to have a look. I'm trying to put them back into some kind of like order. Okay, so next up is Vogue 9370. Now, I discounted this one because there is not enough shaping in it for me. But view A, that shirt on her tucked in, I love that. I really, really love that. It's very Vivienne Westwood. I want to make that, and I would never wear it as a dress, even cinched, as it is on View's CD, this one here. But I do think I'd wear it as a shirt, so I'm going to make that one. Then we've got Vogue 9197. It's another one that I thought I had and did not. It's a custom fit, so it has the cup sizes, the full bust adjustments done for you already, which is awesome. I have got this one as a alternative to the Vogue 9357 bodice, which we all know how much I love that dress, except I don't really love the bodice of it because I get the weird pointy darts. Tried it with a Butterick 6244, didn't like that one either. So I thought this is a high necked dress with the French darts coming up from kind of like lower down the side seams. That means that I can add in the yoke and the front placket, like a front seam if I want to chevron anything as well. So I'm going to give that one a go to add to that skirt, because whilst I love the skirt, I'm still trying to find a bodice that works for me. Then we've got Vogue 1769, which again I featured in the Get the Look for Less as a Zimmermann dupe. I really like this shirt. I like the little bib detail on it. I want to give this a try and make something Zimmermann-esque from it. Having thought about it, it was a shirt with lots of like 3D flowers on it, which are beautiful, but it does really limit how you can wear it because the flowers went all the way around the back yoke as well, and were on the cuffs and the collar and down the front, and I really like that, but it would be something that would then only get to be worn in the summer months because you wouldn't be able to wear anything over it. And I don't know how keen I am on wearing shirts in the summer months, but you never know. If I make it out of a cotton voile or something, it could work. I really liked this shirt and I wanted to give it a try. And then another top, Vogue 1728, again kind of pirate capsule collection. I just think this is gorgeous. I really like it. I have no idea if it's actually going to suit me, but I saw it and was like, yes I need that. And at one point I didn't realize that the shipping thing was only $50 for the Black Friday sale, and I was trying to up my pattern quota so that I could hit the $75 mark to get free shipping, not realizing that the threshold had been lowered. Never mind. Next we've got Butterick 4669, which is a corset pattern. Again, very pirate core. I very much like all of them. I probably wouldn't make the ones with the little tails on the back. I like the peplum that goes the whole way around the front, like on View B. But there's a couple of Instagram accounts that I'm following that make these kind of things and then wear them over like a dress like this, for example. And I think that would be gorgeous. I want to give it a try. So there's that one. Then we've got Butterick 6705. Again, this is something kind of outside of my comfort zone because it's an Empire line dress. But I really like the one that they've made up, View C. Rachel very kindly sent me her Pleiades dress that she'd made, tunic top. I really liked how that looked on me, especially if I put a belt on with it. I did think that I couldn't put a belt on with an Empire line waist dress, it wouldn't look right, but actually I liked how it looked, so I always liked this dress, but I didn't think it was for me, but I think I can make this work for me. Then we've got Butterick 6868. The coat is gorgeous and the dress is really interesting. I like both of those. I particularly like the coat with the collar and the cuffs, but the dress I think is also really nice and looks really nice underneath of it as well, so like that. Then we're into McCalls. So the first one is McCalls 8231. It's another Angela Clayton. It's a skirt and shirt waist. I really like this. I will probably make the shirt waist by itself. The skirt is beautiful, but again, I love Angela Clayton and want to support her, so I basically buy all of her patterns because I want them to continue to be made, and the more you support them, the more they're like, ah, this person is this designer is popular, let's ask for some more. Then we've got McCalls 8244. This one I bought more for the leggings than the top, although the top is nice, but I really liked the cross front with the leggings. I'm a little bit nervous about making leggings because I don't know how much I would wear them. I used to wear leggings all the time, but I don't know if I'd wear them now, but I want to give it a try, especially under some of those longer shirts that I've just shown you, and as long as the shirt's covered my butt with knee-high boots and a belt. Yes, very pirate, but how awesome would that look? This is an older one, McCalls 7254. I really like the shaping in this. I like the little waistcoat version as well. I like that it's either sort of can be completely cropped or just over the waist or slightly longer. I think this is really nice. I wanted to give it a try. I have a couple of cardigan patterns that I've tried over the years, and some of them I've liked and some of them have just been way too boxy on me, but I thought because there's some shaping in the waist, that one could work for me. Then we've got McCalls 8195. I love this. Absolutely love this. I'm going to make the skirt way longer, but I think the strappy version and the long sleeve version are lovely. I don't particularly like the one that she's wearing because of the sleeves. If the sleeves were slightly shorter or much longer, I'd like it, and I will make the skirt longer, but yeah, I really like the bodice of this dress. Then we've got McCalls 8092. This is another one that I think I featured in one of the Get the Look for Less videos, and it's very similar to the dress that I have on, as in it's very shapeless, trapeze style dress, but it comes with like a cummerbund like pattern for you to cinch it, and it's also elasticated at the neckline so you can wear it on the shoulders or off the shoulders. Again, I think it's going to look quite nice if it's styled with the right sort of accessories like I've done with this one. Then we've got McCalls 7811. This I got for view B more than anything, although view A is nice, but I do like the one with the ruffles. And again, it's a fitted princess seam shirt with then ruffles added into it, and it has a collar stand, like a Nero collar, or you can add a proper collar on top of that as well. So I really liked this one. Got McCalls 8089, which Rachel has just made a couple of and really likes. Wow, you need to make that a lot longer. And I would add more tiers, I think, or just make like A longer and add more ruffles on at the bottom. I really like the sleeves for B and C. Also keen on the sleeves on A, and how they can call that a dress, I don't know, because A looks so short. So does C, but it is really pretty, and I really liked Rachel's versions, so bought that one. Oh, I've got a Vogue, a random Vogue. So Vogue 9053. This has actually been coming up on my Amazon loads, because loads of the patterns that I've been trying to list for you guys aren't available on Amazon anymore. This one keeps coming up, and I was just like, actually that's really nice. I like that. I like that a lot. It's a really simple dress, but I think it would be really effective, so I bought that one. 3 left. McCalls 8198. It's a really nice little shirt. I like B and C particularly. A's nice, but I think I probably would wear C and B more often. Then we've got McCalls 8196. Again, a very simple dress, but view C particularly is really pretty with those long sleeves. I really like all the panels in that, and then the opportunity for some colour blocking fun. And finally, from the new McCalls range, McCalls 8239. I really like this. I think it's interesting. I like the long sleeves. Probably wouldn't make the puff sleeve version, but I do like this. It can be made in crepe, chunny, cotton blends and staple knits as well, so it could be a very comfortable dress. I think it's cute. I do think it's cute. Does have a side zipper because it's got a collar, but yeah, I think it's cute. So yeah, that's my Black Friday pattern haul. That took 16 minutes. Wow. Let me know in the comments down below which one is your favorite. Which one would you be making up first? I can't quite decide. I already have all of my sewing plans done for the rest of this year and pretty much all of January as well, so I don't think any of them are going to get made that quickly, but I think I want to try more of the shirts, the different shirts, that patterns that I've got in there. Definitely the Vogue one as well, the very pirate one, because I think that's gorgeous. Although the construction method for the sleeves, the cuffs on the sleeves, because they have little invisible zippers in them, it's going to be interesting. It's going to be interesting, but I can do it. It'll be fine. It'll be fine. Yeah, let me know in the comments down below which one you think is your favorite and which one would you make up first. I would be very interested to know. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't yet, please subscribe, and I'll see you again very soon. Bye.